Ingat po tayo kasi if ever you will be subjected to penalties, alam niyo naman na po yung BIR, wala na po silang sinasanto ngayon whether it's small business or a big business. Especially so with the new regulations. Kaya mas magandang updated po tayo both for input and output VAT. So dapat you can really track the due dates of your accounts, especially your receivables and your payables, lalo na kung may output and may input VAT yan. Because you cannot just claim it. So, ang dami na pong softwares ngayon that we can make use right now to track that. And when can we say it is considered non-claimable already?
Hmm.
So, Automate helps you, of course, to look into your your due dates, whether it is paid or unpaid, and whether we should already remove some of our output VAT and our input VAT. Ingatan po natin yan, lalo na it's a new regulation and it needs to be enforced.
May pera po sa lokal. Huwag niyo pong sukuan ng Philippine tax kahit alam natin yung mga issues ngayon, wag tayo magpadala sa issues ngayon. Tama ba? Just focus on helping business owners and tulungan natin mga sarili natin mag-aral na mag-aral para pumaldo tayo sa 2025.